It goes 400 miles an hour.
What? La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you.
It's super early in the morning. I've never done it this early before. Excuse the way I look, but what's up, JellyFam? Oh, I still sound groggy, it's that early. Guys, the reason I'm up super early in the morning is because Sofology are delivering a sofa to us and I have to be prepared for them to come. So other than that, I'm gonna go get some breakfast and we're gonna wait for Sofology to arrive. Okay guys, Sofology are delivering a sofa. It's just finally arrived, so they're just gonna get it out. There's 3 of them. It's a heavy looking sofa. But it's gonna look so cool, guys. Thanks again to Sofology for sending this to us. This is so awesome. Super awkward, you know. Have you had a busy day?
Not too bad so far, yeah. You're our second drop of the day. So.
Oh, second drop of the day.
Yeah.
No worries.
It's really nice to meet you. Good morning.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me.
Girls, come and test how comfortable it is. Let's see how comfortable it is. We have the Ellie and Miley test, yeah? So you want to come see the new sofa?
Don't worry about
I know, right? Come and have a test it out. Early morning comfort. It's nice and early here, guys. They delivered perfectly early, which is great. Huh? How is it?
Mr. Fluffington's enjoying it.
Mr. Fluffington's enjoying it, is he? How is it, Miley?
And it's bouncy.
No, don't bounce on it. It's not for bouncing, it's for sitting. There you go.
It's so bounce.
There you go.
Pillows.
The pillows are there. Oh, we have to get some if you want any extra. But all the back pillows and everything's all super comfy. So how is it? What'd you give it out of 10 for comfiness?
1,000. No. The world's highest number in the whole entire world.
Yeah. Say thank you, Sofology.
Thank you, Sofology. A roll off. Hey.
There you go. Check it out.
Ah!
And it fits perfectly in there as well. Look, we've got enough space to go round. It's good.
I only need to take up 3 spaces.
Yeah. So you get 3 spaces, and then Miley gets the other 3 spaces.
Space.
Awesome. Okay, hey JellyFam, what's up? So we're here in Tesco's.
Hello.
JB Mum's with us because it is firework day. If I hadn't mentioned before, I'm going to mention it now. It's so what do we call it? Bonfire night. Guy Fawkes. It's an English thing, guys. November 5th. Remember the 5th of November. No, not civilian families. Guy Fawkes. And we're here at Tesco's, not to do fireworks because that'd be illegal and a little bit dangerous because it's inside. That's a bit weird, right? We're here basically to rob Tesco's. No, we're kidding. Not really. We're going to fireworks next door and we're just getting some supplies. So we're just getting some supplies, like I said, and then we're going to go check out the fireworks, guys. It should be fun. JellyFam, if you're from the UK and you are doing fireworks, or by the time you watch this, have done fireworks, comment down below where and what you did. Well, don't tell us where, the location, but tell us what you went to see. Did you go see a display or did you do a home one? I want to know. Was it cool? Was it a bit like, not too bad? The girls are going to get excited about this one. What are you looking at? What is it? Slime?
You've seen her channel before. Her channel.
Who's that?
Her channel. She makes slime stuff.
She makes slime stuff. You and slime. Kids never get bored of slime, do they?
Never.
And Dr. Pepper, apparently.
Never.
Huh? Never. There is a lot of slime stuff, guys. It's all about squishies and slime, isn't it? Squishies and slime, isn't it?
I need to be part of the slime squad. Yes, you do.
Well, let's join. How do you join the slime squad?
Just make a bunch of slime.
Let's do it then.
You never let me.
Oh, well, because you'll put it all over the floor. Guys, comment down below. Should we let Ellie do slime? There's a channel.
comment down below. If you say yes, we will make fun.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yes, we will.
Should we go do fireworks now? Yeah, they got rides as well. Let's go do it. I mentioned they got rides there as well, so that'd be fun. Also, as well, just remembered, if you're new to the channel, come join the JellyFam. JB Mum in the background. Smash that subscribe button, guys, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future events and all that sort of jazz. I always forget to say that. I didn't forget to say it today.
Are you filming me?
No? I thought you knew. She was like in the background, pretending to read. Like she never reads. Oh yes, I read all the time. I read, this is what I'm gonna take up, guys. I wanna do knitting. Let's knit together as a team. It's getting a little bit dark and it wouldn't be at a British event if we weren't somewhere on a bench outside eating chips. It's really dark now. Can you see? Hey girls, are you enjoying your chips and gravy? Oh, you can hear the fireworks going off already, guys. So we're just gonna eat quickly and then we're gonna go in there in about 15 minutes. Hey, so we're in here now, guys. Look, you got all the rides and the music that we try to blur out for thing, but Ellie's seen that you can win a pug. Huh? Ellie, do you want one? Do you reckon you can win it? I don't think you can win it, Ellie. Yes, you can. Why are they playing Diana Ross? It's bad. It's bad for copyright purposes. I'm a real wuss when it comes to rides. So any of these sort of rides scare me to my very core. I won't go on it because I'm basically scared of everything, aren't I? Yeah. Run.
You gotta listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go.
It goes 400 miles an hour.
What?
That's what he just said. Yeah, it like spins upside down and everything.
No, it doesn't. Then we have a seatbelt. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it comes down over your head, locks you in so you don't fall out.
We have to put our arms up. We have to put our
Spins.
arms up. Does it go down?
Yeah, it spins upside down.
No.
You'll be fine.
Does it go upside down? No, I don't want to do it.
I'm fine kidding. She believed you as well. Like, you're so mean, JB Mum. You're so mean. She believed you as well. I think we're just waiting for some more people. Yeah, you ready? Are you ready for it? Do you remember I said it didn't go upside down? I lied, it does. Are you ready? Hold on tight, Marley. Hold on tight. Make sure you put your hands up though, otherwise your arms fall off. Miley's face, look, she's like, my tummy. You alright, Miles? That face. You see that face? Look, Miley's like, whoa. You see that scared face? Miley, show me your skills. Oh! That's just falling over skills, Miles. Look at you go. Look at you go. Els.
This is the thing I want.
Els, can you do a flip, Els?
I just did a flip.
Did you? I missed it. Go on, Els. Oh! Skills. There goes all your change, Ellie. You dropped all your change. You don't have any change? Woo!
Where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go. I don't know where you came from. touch my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing, like nobody is watching us, like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost. Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best.
Hey JellyFams, we just arrived back at the house. Epic fireworks, right? Ended with The Greatest Showman and the epic fireworks display. What was the song again? Never, never. What? Never enough. Yeah, it was great. I can't see me. It's just really dark. Hang on. It's dark in our house. Someone turn the light on. Turn the light on. There you go. What is up? It's bedtime now anyway because it's really late. Oh, what are you?
I'm Angel.
You're Angel from Lilo and Stitch, right? Do your angel dance. Go. That's right. That's right. So it was epic anyway. I didn't really record that much of the fireworks. You guys have seen fireworks before, right? Yeah. You know, like 10 minutes of firework displays on camera. It's so much better in person. Plus, I wanted to spend it, you know, like with my fam, you know? It's all good. Jamie Mum's doing what Jamie Mum does best. Check this out.
Laundry.
What are you doing?
Laundry.
Laundry. Look at her go. Look. She's nesting.
Laundry,
She's baby nesting.
Laundry, laundry.
It's actually just doing what I have to do normally every day.
What's wrong with your stomach? Why is it so big?
I'm eating too many chips.
Are you having pains, by the way?
I'm having control.
You're having pains.
Pencil fight!
Oh wow, there's a pencil fight going on in the middle of the
So
thing.
you've got too much energy for God knows.
I know, right? It's got 9 o'clock at night. Have you brushed your teeth, both of you? Let's get into bed. Let's say goodnight to the JellyFam. Jump into bed. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, JellyFam, it's shout out time. Just before I put the girls to bed, I just wanted to shout out a random person from our comments on YouTube. Thank you to everyone that comments on our YouTube. I will be endeavoring to shout out someone each time, guys, for this. So the person I'm shouting out this time, I'll put it down below as well, but it's Amy Lightstone. She says, love you guys, you make me laugh, and I love your YouTube and Instagram. You guys will hit 1 million one day, and we will all be so happy. Also, post notification squad. So thank you very much to Amy. You guys are all amazing. All the comments were awesome. And we look forward to picking out someone next time as well. So keep them coming in, guys. We love reading them. Anyway, let's go put the girls to bed. Right, number 1.
Good night, JellyFam.
Good night. Let's go to the other one. Why are you not in bed? Oh, they won't be able to see you. Let's turn the lamp on. Does your lamp work? Yeah! Are you sleeping in your onesie, are you? What about your hair? Yeah, it's still tied up. Let's do it. Here we go. So we're going to say to the JellyFam.
Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below.
Yes, good night, JellyFam. Goodbye.
Good night, JellyFam. Bye.
If we don't